When I hop on the bike, it's like, okay, maybe it's a little bit different for me because I also do like racing with supermoto. It's like a little bit different, but when I sit like on my Bejna bike, it's like 1991 Harley Davidson Softail engine base. The rest of it, it's like from Penhead, like the fenders, the wheels, the gas tank. It's like, it's hard to describe, like the word stops, it's just me and the bike. If my girlfriend is in the back, even better, but yeah, like to be hitting the sunny road, like enjoying, feeling the wind, know that you drive something that you built, you didn't bought, you did stuff, rebuild them or whatever. It's like really special feeling, like you feel free, like you really feel free. Yeah, hi, my name is Žiga and I'm the owner of Gas and Retro custom motorcycle shop. I've been building bikes and cars for the past 14-15 years. First thing with motorcycles that I remember is probably that I saw a picture of my granddad and grandmother on the motorcycles. They are basically the only one in my family that drove motorcycles, and then here I am, the next one. I don't. When I finished the high school, I started immediately with handcrafting and servicing like motorcycles. I applied for one other custom Slovenian workshop, and they asked me if I can do like some rear fenders on an old showhead like Harley. I did it. They said it was like really good, so for the past 15 years I'm building bikes and I'm super stoked about it because I don't know what other thing I would do in my life. Most of my clients are from Slovenia because the main money comes from maintenance, like doing the services, changing tires, handlebars, small stuffs, selling parts for motorcycles. But then I also have like customers from all around the world because they are buying one of our product. It's like fairing for Husqvarna, and we sell some custom bikes also all around Europe, but mostly Slovenia. Yeah, this place here, I've been like, I think it's gonna start like the 4th year that I moved into this workshop. Before I was like 20 minutes away, but the workshop starts to be too small. So I moved to a bigger space, and the main thing for me is that I feel really good in the space. So everything that you see here in workshop, it's like built up to suit how I think, how my friends think, what I'm building. It's important that also people that come and visit to the place see that I'm like not 100 but 1,000,000,000% into the scene, because like I said before, if I wouldn't do bikes, like I really don't know what I would be doing. It's hard to explain to someone that's not living the same stuff that you do or building the same stuff you do or whatever job you do. I say you need to be like 300% committed to the job. So yeah, I'm really satisfied how the workshop looks, not just for me but also for other people to see what it means to be like part of the custom scene. It's not just like one custom bike that you build it and drive it on the road. It's also like the whole concept and the parts that comes with that. Yeah, if we talk about different too, it started actually 2-3 years before, not just with the different one, but it started like with Flex Tools. I become friend with Boštjan Vidrais. He's owner of Flex Tools Slovenia, and they supported me since then with tools, battery tools, like drillers, brushers, saws, and so on. So he said he would like to have like one old BMW. I found one for him. He drove it for a year or two, and then he said, I want to do some custom project. And I said, look, you help me with tools, I'll help you with the bike. If you are in, you can give me like for the parts, and I'll put my work onto the bike. because you helped me. So I start to pointing in my head what I would like to build. I presented to him, he said, let's go for it. And yeah, it's been like 6 months building constantly beside other works to earn money for living. And we did like, I think, really good bike. It's probably the best build I did in the past 15 years. People liked it a lot, still loving it. It's been like on many shows in Europe, including Bike Shed London. So yeah, it's my vision how a retro cafe racer would need to look like with modern parts and modern technique on the bike. So I think it looks really good. I must admit, with all the carbon fiber parts, everything's made out of aluminum, the exhaust, the suspension, like the lines. I think it's good looking bike. I'm always staring to build something that wasn't seen on the scene before, even if it's from the same engine, same motorcycle, but like different styles. So for me, my aspect is always like to present to people that, like I said before, from BMW, R Motors, Airhead, it's been like, you name it, like bikes, you name it. But I'm always looking to build something that wasn't seen before, like I did with different 1 and different 2, and people like it so far. So yeah, I always like to build something new. Like one of my heroes beside Granddad is like Maxwell Hazan from United States. He does like unusual stuff, and he's creating everything, like from the screws to the belts, everything by his own. Like, so he's, for me, beside Shinya Kimura, also like top of the level of custom scene.